Welcome back to your safe place. Can we agree that humor is an absolute game changer in this crazy thing we call life? Having a great sense of humor is like having a secret weapon that can conquer any situation. It's the ultimate icebreaker, the antidote to awkwardness, and the key to connecting with people from all walks of life. With the power of laughter on your side, you become an unstoppable force of charm and charisma. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to being the life of the party? Don't miss out on this comedy masterclass that will transform you into a humor superhero. I am so eager to hear your thoughts after this video. How much did you understand or disagree with what I explained? Never mind, I can't read minds yet. Drop your comments below. Humor isn't just about making others laugh. It's also about finding joy and lightness in your own life. In this whirlwind of stress and responsibilities, humor acts as a shield, protecting your sanity and keeping you grounded. It's a powerful tool for navigating the ups and downs, turning challenges into triumphs, and embracing the absurdity of it all. Have you heard about the rule of three? It's a powerful comedic technique that involves presenting a series of two related ideas or items, followed by a third unexpected or humorous twist. So, how to use it? You set the stage with two relatable and seemingly ordinary ideas, almost lulling your audience into a sense of familiarity. They're nodding along, thinking they've got you all figured out. But hold on tight, because here comes the third item, bursting in like a mischievous troublemaker crashing the party. That unexpected twist hits them like a delightful slapstick surprise. It's pure magic, my friend. Imagine cracking a joke like, I recently started a new diet. It's called the 3 C's: cookies, cake, and crying afterward. The unexpected twist of crying afterward injects a humorous contrast to the indulgent food items, creating a comedic tension. Cue the uproarious laughter. The beauty of the rule of three is its versatility. You can use it to craft clever one-liners, weave it into hilarious stories, or sprinkle it into your everyday conversations to keep things light and lively. Don't forget about the timing and delivery, the dynamic duo of comedy. These two elements can make or break a joke, turning an ordinary line into a comedic masterpiece. Timing is everything, my friend. It's the art of knowing precisely when to deliver your punchline, pause for effect, or drop a clever one-liner. And the delivery? It's all about how you serve up your jokes and comedic gems. Your delivery style is like your comedic fingerprint, unique to you. It encompasses your voice, facial expressions, body language, and overall stage presence. And now, picture this. You're sipping your morning coffee, people watching at a bustling cafe. Suddenly, you spot a hilarious interaction that perfectly captures the absurdity of human behavior. It's like finding comedy gold right there in the wild. Observational comedy is about taking those relatable everyday situations and sprinkling them with a touch of wit and humor. It's like adding a dash of spice to your favorite dish, transforming it from ordinary to extraordinary. And the best part? Everyone can connect with it because we've all been there, done that, and laughed about it. Here's an example of an observational comedy joke that highlights the absurdities of everyday life. You know what's fascinating? Grocery stores. They have these intricate mazes called aisles, where they strategically place all the things you never knew you needed. I mean, who knew that a trip for bread and milk could turn into a cart full of snacks, candles, and a pineapple-shaped ice cube tray? It's like they're playing a sneaky game of let's see how many impulse buys we can tempt you with. And don't get me started on the checkout line. It's like a strategic battle to resist all the shiny magazines and tempting candy bars. But hey, at least I now have a pineapple-shaped ice cube tray, and that's something, right? The key is to find those everyday situations that make people nod in agreement and laugh because they can relate. Let me ask something personal. Do you think you have enough self-criticism and the sense of humor to go hand in hand? I'm asking because self-deprecating humor, the ultimate weapon in my comedic arsenal. It's like a comedy therapy session where we can laugh at ourselves and let our silly side shine. Don't you think? A goofy selfie and proudly sharing it with the world, saying, "Hey, look at me, I'm a walking sitcom." It's all about embracing our unique brand of weirdness and transforming it into relatable hilarity. It's like showing off our collection of funny foibles and saying, "Hey, I may trip over my own feet, but at least I do it with style." Imagine sharing a tale of how I tried to cook a gourmet meal and ended up with a culinary catastrophe. I'd laughingly admit my lack of culinary prowess, complete with dramatic flour explosions and a smoke alarm serenade. It's like inviting the audience into my kitchen and saying, "Watch out, folks, I'm a master at burning water." I can't believe you didn't find that one funny. Don't fool me. But wait, here's a little secret I can't wait to share with you. In our next adventure, we'll be tackling a fascinating topic, mastering flirting as an introvert. That's right, we're breaking the stereotypes and proving that introverts have their own unique charm.